Welcome guys, today we're going to do part 23, Factorizing Quadratics, example number 3. So here's our equation and let's get to solving. Step 1 is mapping to the right formula. So we can see here that minus 4x squared is equal to x squared. This could work if minus 4x was just positive. 4x if it didn't have a negative sign in front of it. And since minus 9 is equal to y squared, this could work if minus 9 was positive 9. So I have an idea, but we're going to go with the first formula. Step 2 is simplifying and mapping the equation. So we're gonna take negative 1 outside, so all of the numbers will become positive again. Because if you remove the negative signs, they all become positive. So this will be 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Now we can do everything we need to and map the equation into this. So, we map the equation by writing our new simplified equation over the formula we just selected. So step 3 is now that's finding the numbers. So now you have 4x squared, so x is equal to 4x squared because 4x squared is right above x squared. And y squared is equal to 9 because 9 is right above y squared. So ignore that real quick. That is equal to 9. So x squared is equal to 4x squared, and y squared is equal to 9. But to get to the other side, you need x and y, not x squared and y squared. So we'll do the square root. 4x squared square root is 2x, and 9 square root is 3. So x can be 2x or negative 2x, and y could be 3 or negative 3. Step 4 is deciding the sign. So 12x decides the sign. So since 12x is positive, both numbers are going to be positive, or both numbers are going to be negative, since negative times negative becomes a positive. So don't forget, guys, the 2yx term, or 12x in this case, decides the sign. So the numbers are either both positive or both negative. So they're either 2x, 3, or negative 2x and negative 3. Step 5 is substituting in the formula. So let's substitute the first pair. Since we took negative 1 out over here, we have to put negative 1 back in, because this is very important, otherwise you'll get it wrong. You have to do this. And then let's put the parents now. So this is 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3. So minus 1 times 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3. Or we could write it as, the other way, as minus 1 times minus 2x minus 3 times minus 2x minus 3. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great